Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that securely managing your assets is key. Today, we're tackling a common task: sending BNB from your Metamask wallet to your Arculus wallet. This step-by-step guide will make it simple and stress-free, even if you're new to this. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Metamask extension installed on your browser and some BNB in your Metamask wallet. Also, ensure your Arculus wallet is properly configured and connected. It's a secure hardware wallet that's perfect for storing your crypto long-term. Step 1. Open your Metamask wallet and double-check that you're on the correct network. For BNB, that means switching to the BNB Smart Chain. You can do this by clicking on the network dropdown in the top right corner of Metamask and selecting BNB Smart Chain. This is crucial to avoid any transaction errors. Next, head over to your Arculus wallet. Unlock it and navigate to the Receive section to get your wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check for accuracy to prevent sending your BNB to the wrong place. Now, back in Metamask, click on the Send button. Paste the Arculus wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for gas fees, which might be around 0.1 BNB depending on network congestion in 2025. Review everything one last time. Hit Confirm to broadcast the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen. Make sure all details are correct before proceeding. Once sent, the transaction will take a few minutes to process. You can track it on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. Finally, once it's done, open your Arculus wallet to verify that the BNB has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and check your transaction history. And there you have it, BNB successfully transferred. Always prioritize security in crypto, like using hardware wallets for storage. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.